Let's go.
You guys go live with me. When I say let's go again, you go right. So keep going like this. Can you guys do that with me? Can you guys do that with me? You catch it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Why are these songs so short? 2 minutes, 14 seconds.
They call me on soldier, the militant man. I step in a club with a bitch in my hand. You don't step out cause you don't got plans. Let's go. Yo, there's nothing but water on me like the sand. The bitch is a problem. The bitch ain't bad. If the bitch ain't bad, then I'll probably pass. Let's go. But if she bad, I'm spinning a bag of chick. A chick on mine. If you are not part of the game, we cut off your lights. Let's go.
Okay.
At this point, me, I ain't even got a flex. Just hop out the jet, the whole spaceship. Step in a club, all I know is the VIP. Let's go. See, y'all straight talking, I'm straight action. I be the boss with a motherfucking passion. Bitch so bad, she a Michael, no Jackson. Let's go.
Bitch so bad, she a Michael, not Jackson. What?
Bitch so bad, she a Michael, no Jackson. Let's go.
Okay.
And a bitch so bad, she a lot like Lotto. Hop on the stage, I'm Ricardo Mercado. I put my faith in the mic and they follow. Let's go. I put my faith in the mic, they believe me. I stay in my bottle, I full out the genie. And bitch can't see me, I full out y'all seen it. Let's go. Yeah, the bitch can't see me, then the bitch is blind. I'm tryna be super like Megan on mine. Baby, come backstage, you know I don't mind. Let's go.
This is low-key hard. This is low-key hard.
Once you come backstage, baby, I'm not tweaking. I did that ass for a motherfucking weekend. We making songs, baby, I got you leaking. Let's go. Cause I with glasses on, I'm geeking. She got a terrible past, she meeking. I cannot fuck with that ex, I'm tweeting. Let's go. They call me on soldier, the militant man. I step in a club with a bitch in my hand. You don't step out cause you don't got plans. Let's go. Yo, there's nothing but water on me like the sand. The bitch is a problem. The bitch ain't bad. If the bitch ain't bad, then I'll probably pass. Let's go. But if she bad.
Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to submit your songs, just go on hiphopgalaxy.co.za. Submit your songs. You've got a stand a chance to win $1,000. But let's keep on listening.
I'm spinning a bag of chick, a chick on mine. If you are not part of the game, we cut off your lights. Let's go. At this point, me, I ain't even got a flex. Just hop out the jet, the whole spaceship. Step in a couple, I know it's the VIP. Let's go.
Okay. Beat makes you want to rap.
Kinda like my neck, cause that shit water.
So, yeah, man. I mean, it is what it is. It sort of functioned like a freestyle. It's a very short song. It would have been cool to have like a proper song with, you know, a chorus and stuff like that. I mean, that song is really, yeah, it's a nice little joint.